What's happening today? It seems like every week something happens. So what happened? Well, here it is.
Frank, what do you think? Is it gonna rain?
Well, look how dark that cloud is.
How much time do you think we got, since we don't have rain jackets or rain umbrellas or anything?
30 minutes.
Well, we went into the store and we came back out and it's raining. And it looks pretty cloudy. This is Cuenca weather for you. Here's a dog crossing the street. We're ducking out over here in this little tienda because it's raining pretty hard now.
As long as I got my quail eggs, I'll be all right. This is almost like the manna from heaven. Do I dare even make that analogy?
This is what it's like in the Andes. You can't even see the mountains. It's so foggy. I thought this was supposed to be the Andes. Where's the mountains? I think it's raining worse now. Since we ducked in here, it's gotten worse. So we're just gonna have to stand here. I don't want to get hit by lightning. We just saw some really bad cloud to ground lightning.
Literal thunderstorm, literal. I mean, there's always a chance in Cuenca that no matter how nice the weather is and you're out here walking around, it's just going to instantaneously, any moment, just change to some severe thunder. I mean, this is severe. I mean, it's loud enough to put the fear in anybody.
And Frank carries this always in his backpack. It's a
mountain jersey.
Yeah. He carries it in his backpack. He always has. I don't do that. I don't have a rain jacket in my backpack. So
actually, this is a special kind that folds up into a little ball.
Oh, it folds up small.
Yeah, it's like
good for travel.
Yeah, it's good for travel, and I've had it for years. And I used to ride a moped, and I used to carry it with me. I think they sell at Walmart for around $20 to $25. So we're ducking out in the store, and the lightning strike and thunder was so severe that it knocked the power out. It must have hit some power pole close by, but it almost felt like the ground was shaking, and it was just, I mean, man, that was rough. It was pouring cats and dogs too. Hey, good morning everybody. Frank and Angie are in Cuenca, Ecuador, retiring professional frugalist extraordinaire, making it happen. What's happening today? Well, you know, we should probably call this video series Video of the Week, because it seems like every week something happens. Not because it's a volcano eruption or anything, it's just little things, right? I mean, after you've been in a place for 8 years, it comes down to everything you've already said. Just the little things that make your daily life, right? So what happened? Well, here it is. Not a big deal, but we were walking around as we like to do here in Cuenca. That is one of the enjoyable things about Cuenca. And we decided we're running out of change, so we're gonna walk into a bank and get some change, right? Because where else do you get change? So we slightly passed the bank, and I remembered to stop, so I called Angie. I said, Angie, let's go in this bank. And so I backtracked about 4 feet, and the security guard stopped us. And he's like, really serious, like, And he's like, what do you want? I'm like, well, I want to go in the bank and get some change. And he immediately says, no change. And I'm like, really? A bank doesn't have change? Oh, that's a new one. And this is the security guard saying it, not the banker. So how does he know? Well, anyway, he was outside. He wasn't even inside the bank. So anyway, maybe they were out of change. I don't know. So anyway, that was just a kind of funny, interesting little tidbit there. Let's see what the post office is doing today. Anyhow, guys, I don't know why I even come to the post office. I don't ever get any mail.
Let it out there. We're going to be stopping. We're not stopping already.
I don't know. This doesn't look good, huh? This doesn't look like
no,
it's gonna pass.
It's not. I mean, it's going to pass, but not anytime soon. Not doing it. Where are we going?
Así es, sí, supongo que sí, señor. Amigos, ¿saben? Hay una araña afuera de esta ventana, la estoy viendo.
As long as I got my quail eggs, I'll be all right.